Hey, what's up, everyone? I just wanted to give you the latest on this currently developing wild weather system that is expected to move across the United States this weekend and early next week, bringing in some March like weather and then turning to cold. We're expected to be in the 30s early next week during the night in our area. So, as if things aren't crazy enough with all the current tensions and just tensions worldwide and all of the crazy weather conditions and things, I just decided to give you the latest update. This is to add to it. So, this powerhouse storm could unleash heavy snow, tornadoes, and wild temperature swings. So, that's what they're stating right now. The forecast is expected to bring a variety of wild weather to much of the USA from Friday through the entire weekend. On the colder side of the storm, heavy snow is likely to cause blizzard conditions in April in the northern plains and upper Midwest. Some spots could get up to 20 inches of snow, wind gusts getting as high as 50 miles per hour. We had the extreme winds yesterday. Well, actually today. And it could cause whiteout conditions from the blowing snow, the National Weather Service stated for Rapid City, South Dakota. They have warned the people living there. The heaviest snow is forecasted across northern Nebraska, much of South Dakota, and western Minnesota. Flights in and out of Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport will probably be delayed or canceled Saturday, so this winter weather in April is still continuing. The Weather Channel actually tweeted this out, which you can see the center of the screen. Hashtag blizzard warnings are issued ahead of Winter Storm Xanto. This winter storm in mid-April, titled or named Xanto, in the plains. Heavy snow and ice threats to last into the weekend. And you can see the images shown there at the link on Twitter. The strong wind aspect of this storm in lieu of the snow can lead to power outages and property damage over a broad area of the plains, so they can expect electrical outages and issues in those areas. According to AccuWeather meteorologists, freezing rain could lead to an ice storm in and around the northern Great Lakes. That's an ice storm in the Great Lakes along with northern New York State and northern New England, expecting ice storm and snowstorm conditions. The Weather Channel named the system Winter Storm Xanto, as stated earlier. To the south, an outbreak of severe thunderstorms is forecast to be expected for portions of the central and southern plains to the Mississippi, Ohio, and Tennessee valleys. So that's where these severe thunderstorms are expected to be. The forecasted storms may bring the full spectrum of everything of severe weather, ranging from high winds, large hail, flash flooding, frequent lightning strikes, and perhaps even a tornado. So, possible tornadoes expected for the south. So that includes Texas and Tennessee, Missouri, Louisiana, and all of these areas, basically the south throughout Tennessee as well. These storms include, as you can see here, damaging winds, flooding downpours, hail, isolated tornadoes, large hail, and everything you can expect. AccuWeather says the central and southern U.S. will need to be on high alert for severe thunderstorms heading into this weekend. The same storm system is likely to produce heavy rainfall from eastern Texas to western Kentucky, packing the potential of 1 to 3 inches of rain through early Saturday alone. The Weather Service stated this yesterday. Flash flooding is possible across portions of Arkansas and Louisiana. In the southwest, hot, dry winds will bring extreme wildfire danger, shown below. Fire conditions are likely across portions of as far south as New Mexico, much of West Texas and through southwestern and central Oklahoma. The Storm Prediction Center said they can expect fire conditions, extreme fire conditions, shown in pink there. Extremely critical. Southern New Mexico and much of West Texas and a small portion or small part of southwestern Oklahoma are under extreme fire risk. Summer-like warmth will spread. Today it was 80 degrees in our area, so it got above 80. Summer-like warmth will then spread up the East Coast on Friday and Saturday all the way up to New England, where record high temperatures are possible. Philadelphia is forecast to see its first 80-degree days of the year, Friday and Saturday. A potent cold front, though, late Sunday and early Monday is likely to bring heavy rain and send temperatures crashing back down to March-like averages early next week for many areas. The Boston Marathon scheduled for Monday could be a run-in with heavy rain and chilly temperatures in the 50s for highs. And the rest of these are just ads and comments. So expect some wild and crazy weather as we head through the weekend and early next week. So I just thought I'd give you an update on the latest forecast. Stay safe and pray that we miss these extreme storms here in the central areas as well. Our state just went through much of that last week during my last weather video, but luckily, fortunately, so far we've missed these in our area. We've missed these events, so please pray and hope that we miss them again and that we are safe. So I send best wishes and prayers to all of you for safety, and please reciprocate that to us as well, because this is looking to be an extreme weather event. This has been an update on the current weather system taking place throughout this weekend. Much love and peace. Stay safe as possible. Stay as safe as possible. I hope to speak with you again very soon. Peace. Bye.